business contributor, Lou Basenese. Is it important that Anthropic, like who goes public first, if you're looking at OpenAI versus Anthropic?
From an investor standpoint, it doesn't matter. From the companies, they're just trying to get there first before the IPO window closes. I mean, Brian says I like to party, and forget the West Coast.
No, I said that.
Oh, you did. Forget the West Coast
Party.
parties, right? IPO parties, they don't stop when the good times are rolling, and that's what Anthropic's trying to do. But there's a neck-and-neck race here, right? Anthropic and OpenAI trying to get the best model. They're trying to get the most revenue. Now Anthropic's trying to beat them to the IPO day. I think these are just wildly terrible investments for everyday Americans, unless you get an allocation. Because
wait a sec. Okay, so you think they're great companies.
Yes.
But you think they're terrible investments. Why would a great company be a bad company to own?
Because buying it at an expensive price makes it a terrible investment. So you want to own a great company at a great price, which is what Warren Buffett spent his entire career doing and making billions off of this. These are coming to market. If you look, all of these companies, SpaceX, OpenAI, Anthropic just raised money at a $965 billion valuation, which means its IPO is going to be over $1 trillion. There's only $11 trillion companies in the world right now. So you're basically buying at the tippy top and hoping that it goes higher than there. So I just don't see it yet with the fundamentals. They're too overpriced. They're not value investments. And the track record says you'll get a better chance if you just wait. Patience is not being a coward in this market in the IPOs. It's actually being a value buyer and a smart investor.
I was looking back at comparing the first .com bubble to this one. And you know what we have going for us that all those .coms didn't? Alan Greenspan is not the chairman of the Federal Reserve.
That was not what was on my mind.
No, if you look at what Greenspan did, I had forgotten this, but back in '99, inflation was picking up a little bit. It was running below 2% early in '99, and then it crept up to like 2.1%, 2.3%, and he started hiking interest rates.
Yeah, he did.
And hiked three hikes, took the Fed funds rate to 5.5%.
I remember it.
By the end of '99, and it openly just pricked the bubble.
I agree, but let's see if this war in Iran continues. We may be dealing with a Fed hike before we get a cut. But I'd say this: there's another huge difference with these IPOs. They're profitable, or they're on the path to profitability. Back in the .com days, 70 to 80% were unprofitable. So Anthropic even is turning the corner on operating profitability. They'll be there probably, by the end of this year, which is a good thing as an investment class. It means the businesses are real.
Lou, real quick, I want to get your take. Senator Bernie Sanders, don't worry. He's got his own plan for AI, proposing that the government take a 50% stake in companies like OpenAI and Anthropic. Watch this. Oh, yeah, watch this.
No, you gotta read it.
Fine, I'll read it. He didn't say it. He penned it up at the New York Times titled, "The public should own half of the big AI companies," writing, quote, "AI is built on our collective intelligence, the creative work of millions of people, writers, artists, musicians, journalists, teachers, scientists, ordinary citizens, has essentially been stolen by some of the wealthiest people in the world. It's time for us to reclaim it." Okay, that's what he said. I just read it. Do you agree with it?
No, it's not even worth the ink it was printed on. That's like basically saying anyone that has a patent, that patent's mine because I had that idea too. It was built on some idea. It doesn't hold any water whatsoever. And the idea of giving Bernie Sanders and his ilk 50% of these companies, so what? They can put a moratorium on AI and make sure that we're never ahead of China. It just doesn't pass the smell test for me, and it's never going to happen.
Young people never turned on Apple or Amazon the way that they have turned on AI, and these power-hungry politicians know that, and will be riding that hatred.
It's scary. Free markets require the government to be out of the free markets. Don't have them having ownership stakes. I know we agree on that with Intel and every other investment.
That is not Bernie's plan. Lou Basenese, always good to have you, man. Thanks for breaking down Anthropic and all things AI. We appreciate it.